Class stand. We are standing up. Greetings. Good day to all Sierra Leoneans. Whatever you say you there. This is the program called Love Salon and Left by that. Me where they talk to Unamina Adebayo. The people in the salon today, the 8th of January 2022. The people today, I get a very important message for Una again. And I can always tell Una say, if we sleep, we wake, nothing not happen, we tell Papa God thank you. The people in the salon today, I get 3 messages for Una again. Mumpome, but, and Tuna knows a story with a pool. We go continue for pool this story where people they want for year. And we go continue for say the things where people they want for know. And Tuna knows say, now we get the man them inside the man them. Sierra Leoneans, today na a brand new day. A brand new Saturday. Pick your phone. Your phone the ring. We move 2022. Today, my people, they take me time for talk. Let me first audio this 2022, the 8th of January 2022. I want to tell every Sierra Leonean, if you know plans, keep me audio them. Today and upwards, start for keep me audio them. Begin I mark me audio them. Because I know where they talk, I sabi where they talk, and I understand what they talk. I can always tell the people of Sierra Leone say, not to kasada if I can eat where they can't talk. Not to chaka where they can't talk. Not to drink where they can't talk. I know exactly what they say to the people of Sierra Leone. Today, I take me time where they talk. And I want to make the people of Sierra Leone know one thing. 2018, I not sleep. 2019, I don't sleep. 2020, I don't ever get 3 or 4 hours sleep in my life. But 2021, I able to sleep 5 hours. 2021, I able to rest beaucoup. Why? Because I know exactly how the feds don't go. I understand how the feds don't go, and I sabi how the feds don't go. Now it make a rest for long. But from now on, I not get rest again anymore. Why I not go get rest? If you see day pass me now, I not make audio. I want to tell the people of Sierra Leone say, now a very important appointment or something very important where I know say this. I for attend them, I for go am, now I go make and not make audio. But every day and then I promise una go get me audio them back. Because this time round, they don't net to morning. Pass if I die. But if I not die, net will return them to morning. Somebody gonna say, waiting at them by your mean. The fate of politics, the fate of election 2023 is done. It's gone. Just they wait for the time. But waiting go make I not sleep now. Now the witch fate, the witch, the country they want to carry to the people of Sierra Leone. For can cripple the people them, for can perish the people them. Say if you not to them, salon for finish. That witch, when they want to count, now it make we love salon they turn net to morning. Net with the turn to morning. Me was now for serve me people. What's that for stand for me people them? I not care waiting there for happen. I not care waiting somebody say about me. I move. And this is not the time for pampas anybody. Love Salon not the pampas nobody. Let's make this thing clear today. We return net to morning, not to my own power, by the grace of God. One thing there where I want to tell you now before I start me audio today, I hate for Sam, I hate for talk I hate for publish out. But I get for suppress and publish I get for talk make a day now every somebody in mind in that country. This fight, I want for make Salon people them know say we get forget war. Una mark me sword today what they tell you now. Today the 8th of January 2022. But the war not the day. One of the biggest thing when me happy for. The one they will set the war, we cook the war, and the more get forget casualty. If in a lie, the Southeasterners them, this message that for una. Sierra Leone get forget war. And they talk them with no regrets. And they talk them with authority for make the people of Sierra Leone know. And let the people of Sierra Leone prepare. Let the people of Sierra Leone understand, say, we get forget war. I hate for Sam, but I get for talker. I hate for Sam, but I get for talker. I want to make the people of Sierra Leone know, say, this war, where they come to Sierra Leone, you know the thing. But the people will forget the highest casualty that the Southeasterners them. The reason why they get forget the highest casualty because now them get for accept the war, now them get for encourage the war, now them get for them before for this war. But me advice to the Southeasterners them. When the SLPP be there, they form Kamajo, they form IF. Who are the people and will die? Pass mark. Who are the people when they cut their hand and pass mark? Who are the people that will suffer the highest casualty? Now the Southeasterners them. Because they allow the idiot politicians, they use them. But them politicians here today, una show me one politician when Pekin die, pan that war, where they cause, where they form the IF. Una show me one Pekin where die for Madabio. Una show me one Pekin where die for Nganoma. Una show me one Pekin where die for the one that will go push una. Turn una Pekin and rebel. Turn una Pekin and Kamajos. Then cut them, kill them like fall. Today, now the same thing the SLPP don't carry it. Check all the Pekin them they oversee. Now one pan and then Pekin their salon. And then Pekin and get protection, then give them soldier man them where they guide them. So this message, they go for the whole country. The biggest thing what they're happy for. Madabio get for betray the whole of SLPP. Today, Basilo Songa, they don't suffer the casualty of Madabio. Fatma Tasawane, they don't suffer the casualty of Madabio. Right? Not to Adeba or Tokam. Alpha side will be don't make them clear. Say, Madabio not reliable today, you not reliable tomorrow, you not reliable next tomorrow, next week, next month, next year, and not ever reliable in life. I get for betray everybody in the SLPP. 4 years ago, Adeba talk the same thing. I get for betray each and everybody within the SLPP. This hope and confidence when Madabio the Guna, now for nothing hope and confidence a Guna. And Eskoroma powerful past Madabio. And Eskoroma a powerful past Madabio. A get strength past Madabio by any way, by any means. It they think about. And Eskoroma is more powerful than Madabio. Today, it is opposition. Today, in party day opposition. Today, in party day opposition. First of all, Southeasterners they will not say Sierra Leone not there by himself. Sierra Leone they ruled by the international community. Now Edman who gets any president who get Edman. Sierra Leone not there by himself. Sierra Leone they ruled by the international community. Madam, you not get the power and not get the guts for stop waiting the international community want for do. I want for make una get a back of una mind. Una the Southeasterners them. Somebody not go understand what Adeba they talk today. But I want to make them clear to every Sierra Leonean. Very soon come with the war. And this is the time for make the APC bundos, for make them get them flag bearer. This is the time. We're not there for Pampas SLPP. We're not there for Pampas APC anymore. Again, anymore. This is the time for make the APC take the bull from the horn. This is the time for make the APC bulldoze the courts. This is the time the APC need forget them flag bearer. We're not there for waste time again anymore. PPRC know the duty. PPRC need for tell the government. PPRC need for tell the court say we don't get time again anymore. This is the time for make the PPRC come out and pull statement. Tell them say we don't get time again anymore. Now 11 months don't left. Not 1 year, 11 months. Now him don't left. So I want to tell the people of Sierra Leone say we they get war soon. And when I mark me word today, the 8th of January. I know they talk about guest. But if it is Southeasterners they agree, we they get the war. If it is Southeasterners they not agree, we not go get the war. Because when somebody cook for do bad, now we get people where they follow them, now go make you do the bad. So this message they go to the Southeast. If the owner supports the SLPP for can kill people them, now una get for die boku. If the owner support the SLPP for can with this war, now una get for die boku, now una get for destroy boku. That tomorrow una not say Adebayo been talking. And Madabio and the fall casualty, they already in a government, 65% of them go die. And they tell them this talk now. If them free say them go free. If them free say them go escape. 65% of them within a government go die. Una mark me what today where are they talk. I know they guessed why they talk. Are they talk with authority. I want to tell the people of Sierra Leone that each and every Sierra Leonean know that and prepare for that. When you buck your foot, when you know how we are. When you don't know, you they feel pain pass. When you buck your foot, you know say yes, they can't buck me foot. You know they feel pain better because you are aware of it. So this I want to make everybody prepare. Let everybody get in plan B now. Each and every Sierra Leonean forgetting plan B now. We never come to that because now that Madam you don't say a want. But Madam you officer in 96, so then at the dark days. Madam be officer in 1991 who been in the dark days will not be get sense. But I want to make them clear. The time for make the Southeasterners they can't die but who don't come back. The time for make the Southeasterners they can't cut their hand and back boku, they don't come back. If them officer Northwesterners they get for suffer boku na lie. Casualty go there, but to be Mame God, Southeasterners them. Now una get for suffer the highest casualty. Una mark this word where they tell now that if you una agree for support this bastard, that's I want to make the whole country know. I hate for Siam, but I can for Siam to make the people and become me know, me sabi, me understand exactly what in the happen. So I want to make una get this clear. Today, my first message where I want to give to the people of Sierra Leone. Now it's about the things that were happen in the country. The things that where the SLPP they condemn the APC. The things that where the SLPP they do were right. But today I want to redo beaucoup things and they redo and make the people they understand that Sierra Leone. We they forget quick, they no problem. Now I understand why make the politician and they use we, then they abuse we, then they dump we. Now they get the understanding clear, me people them. Today, the Alaki bastard picking them, whether APC, whether they focus, whether they pay attention, I ready for cut them mama then conquer them one. I ready for put gutter inside them mama then bobo them this sleep. I not fucking care what anybody think. But me one big advice I want to give to everybody when they APC, when they advocate for APC, when they talk for APC. That word that Alaki talk on a fasting. APC need to come together. APC need to get peace. APC need for this. At the beginning, Kosuna mama them for that word day. APC no get plaba. APC no get war. The one they will feel say APC do them bad, them gonna cut them but handle that. The malice, all the people them now want to see. Then they destroy the APC. Then they take phone call and Escoma. Then they talk to her. Then they take phone call and Same. Then they eat together. Then they go and program them together. They know the first day. I wanna take the grassroots of the country. I wanna take the people of Sierra Leone. If anybody accepts for be idiots, this 2022 they fuck off you for let you stop for be idiots. And they fuck off you for make you stop for be arrogant. And they fuck off you from fool for make you get sense. You be mumu. For let all time they open a bastard beginning the talk. APC one piece, APC not together, but we all they see the way and they go and bury. They all they talk to themselves. We all they see the way and they go to court. They all they fucking talk to themselves. We all they see when they don't have their party office, then they fucking talk to themselves. Who don't listen company? Nobody. Now here we all see, they get videos and then they eat so fucking eat together. Then the stupid we, then they tell the people, we need peace, we need that. Mami bombo for that. APC not depend war. APC get peace. Come on, sister, go open the hotel. We all see an Escoma, go there. Then they invite each other. Then they call themselves on the phone. Then they talk to themselves. So who's dirty talk this say APC need peace? APC, who's peace? Who's war? The malice? No. They don't have a malice. So that dirty talk there, I want to pull on everybody mouth. Then una we then na social media. When purely they advocate for APC. One thing now I want to make una all left. Una stop for do the pulling down syndrome. Una allow the love salon and do the issue then day. Because love salon not gets party. Love salon never support nobody. When something black, we they talk and say black. When something white, we they talk and say white. Una know the reason why they talk to, where they want una, they advise una. If you now Richard Conte they support them. Not put nobody down for Richard Conte. If you now Samurai they support, fucking support Samurai. Not fucking put nobody down because of it they support Samurai. Because the election of 2023, it don't start now. I say the election of 2022-3, it don't start now. Hello, we don't understand the game, we don't understand what they happen. I want to tell you now, say, the election of 2023, it don't start now. Now, for any politician we talk now, that campaign message they give. Anybody we talk now, that campaign message is the give. But thank God, Love Salon message don't reach Usai if for reach. Let me make something clear today what I want for make you understand what the advice you now. This is the time for make you sell una party out there. Una forget about what you do up in 2096, 2048, 2059, we not fucking one for no again. Una sell una party out there. Una talk about una people una get good. Anybody go talk about anybody bad now, let be love saloon because we na national issues that we dey talk. Me na the country I dey talk for. I know they talk for political party, but you not go fucking then at a party. You dey put your party down. You know they fucking then at your party. You dey molest you people that went then at the party. It's undone. If nobody no ever come and tell una, they tell una this right inside una fucking faces them. If it mean I be APC a day, I go always talk for APC. I not go ever bring down the APC down. But I go say the things them were right. The things that were not right, I dey fucking tell them front and face them. Right? But as it is now, there is no pulling down syndrome when I stop now. The bad things that they happen inside the SLPP. We know the people when they advocate that the SLPP come out and begin condemn them people. We know they see them. We know they fucking see this thing that happen. Even then they hurt them. We don't fucking see the thing that happen inside the fucking SLPP. But we know they see them folks and they come on social media. They bash at them people and down so. If you na APC you there, advocate for your party now, pulling down syndrome, una forget about them. Let everybody left from now. Because the election don't start now. I want to tell everybody where the APC, where they advocate, where they talk for APC. The executive, now they're together. Everybody where they give position, they work. The Secretary General, they doing work. The chairman, they doing work. The PRO, they doing work. Everybody, they fucking doing work. Which one they open like that? Only they talk. The party not unite. The party not fucking this. We not fucking let them talk here. We move 2022. Anybody when no one move, they put her down. And they make it clear to everybody. We want for move. Okay? Nobody when no one born enough for stop we for make could not move. Don't make this thing clear. Everybody for take the back seats. Support your party now in any ways. Because we move from now to June. If we win the people of Sierra Leone, we don't see the APC take actions the way they for take. Try to put one thing where I want to make APC not today. For any decision now they want to make a national decision. Any decision now they take na the will of the people. Because the people are not accept them today. The people are not ready for them behind them today. Nobody know they dispute that. But not they not take them, use them as advantage and see that they become cowards. No! They need to fucking up and buckle up themselves and beef up themselves. Then we the people that follow, we move. Now we make this thing clear. We need for take certain actions them now. If not to that, we the people of Sierra Leone go decide. And now we get to our faith APC. Now we get SLPP them faith. Not to only get with faith. Not to only fucking get with faith. Now we the people them get to our fucking faith. Now we the people them for doing a hope. Now we the people them they tell us that this we want. Now we make this thing clear. Now no politician not open him and what we say that in all the people are saying some this trip that we all are saying some now. Now we they say yes we move. If we don't say yes, we can never move. Now we accept again the APC, say let them come back. If we not accept, say let APC come back. There's no fucking way now that they come back to power. Now first day, but now the people's will. Now the people's choice. Don't make this thing clear to now. That word say APC popular. No, APC not fucking popular again anymore. SLPP not fucking popular again anymore. Now we the people are now we popular. Now we the people are now we fucking popular. Now we the people are now they make you popular. If we not fucking ABI, you want popular. Now where we stand by APC, now where we team up by APC, now make APC popular now. If we not stand by APC, there is no APC. If we not stand by SLPP, there is no fucking SLPP existing. Let's make this thing clear to every politician today, every political party. So una when they talk na social media, this is the time for make una stop the pulling down syndrome, beef up una party, talk for una party, advocate for una party because the election don't start now. I want for make una know this. I want for make una sabi this. Coming to the things them where pissed me off when the SLPP then they do me okay. The SLPP they not care so they know exactly what thing then they do. They sabi what thing then they do. They understand what thing then they do. Now I make way back to the songa make that video. What the camera record? That video they show. Where it say over 150 names that went off for the day for the convention, we take and send them to the international community as evidence. Let them know say the people and the thief themselves. If the people and the thief themselves, you other political party, what you think? You get for prepare more. We the people of Sierra Leone, we get for prepare for protect, we vote more. Because we don't know exactly now how the SLPP they operate, then they thief themselves. So if the people and the thief themselves, you go steam up them thief you. You don't know, you don't aware, you don't conscious. This is 2022. Nobody know for be football again anymore. Now for every statement when they come up from them, we they make use of them now fool. Like how them been they make use of words them, play out words them against the APC people and what they make APC go side and this what today. Somebody go wonder what did Adebayo want for say or what did Adebayo mean of what he says so. Let's make this thing clear to you. Everything today when they happen so beyond the happen. Some of them tell when they happen and I welcome news. When are they see people and they vex and they believe? Why you want vex? Not vex. Are they happy for them news here today? Are they welcome man because I'm happy? Somebody gonna say, for this kind of triangleness, for this kind of thing, and then will say happy. No. Sit down and listen, then you go know what to make us say I'm happy for them news here. Because after 2023, we get all recordings, all videos. When something happen, people they show them as evidence to them. People they wake up for team up tomorrow, we go and cough. I said they cough, that same cough, they send inside their mama them bumbo them. Now for let people understand exactly what Adebayo want for say today. We all seen here when they select Samuel Kamara. When for the first time they elect Samuel Kamara. The SLPP built that one state into the APC. APC not democratic. APC not this. APC that. The Mikhail Masare then take that word there, then come and say reform. Now this make we lost election. Now this make because they select Samuel Kamara, blah blah blah. Today una look side today the APC day. Mikhail then tell them mama them bombo then go court, take them this, take them that. Udana and Escoma, when they all sit down, decide, say that the public. And this particular selection is there. Now the constitution select or elect a better even at you not been in the constitution. But this is that day says select or elect, and everybody agree for let them go select. Then select Samuel Kamara. They say everything not democratic. Then go SLPP use that word and they Mikhail then take them can use them against the party. Today look outside the party day. Look the number away come today. But today, look at SLPP don't select Madabio. And beside the SLPP constitution, don't ever talk anything about select. APC only did it. SLPP, the constitution, you know, ever did it. When talk about select. Today, they select Madabio. Una Mikhail, they will take una mama them bombo then take APC in a court. Say because of selection. Today, we are not there before for condemn Madabio. We are not take una mama them bombo them now for go condemn Madabio, condemn the SLPP for that. We not non make statement them for that. We not non commot. The bastard picking where they support the SLPP. We not ever hear them. They can't condemn. Say SLPP not democratic. We not ever hear them. Then team up before for first them party. No! No! Una will bet una party because of the select. Una don't take una mama them bombo then and connect. Condemn. Talk. No! Una don't do it. But when SLPP give, as they give una the ball, una go play. Then just send ball, una no side ball come on, una go play. Today the ball una play, and take una usa una de so today. Today that ball una play, now take una so today usa una day. Now we reform, selection up for day, blah blah blah. Now we could have blah blah blah. So kaka all talk then. But SLPP don't do the same thing. We're worse than APC. Because APC, their own constitution, talk about it. SLPP, their own constitution, don't talk about select. But today, they don't select. It's fine for them. For APC, not fine. Now we all see somebody who team up against Napoleon. The PPRC, they use the PPRC for condemn the guy just for making not team up against Napoleon. Right? Today, we all see the same thing will happen inside the SLPP. The perhaps it happen inside the APC. But the SLPP, they use the courts today for delay the APC. Una when they support Sam Sumana, where will let Sam Sumana come na APC? Una look what happen with Musa Tarawali. Now resign from SLPP. Not to impeach him, not to suspend him, not to this, not to nothing. He come out willingly and resign. When he say they come back to the SLPP, the SLPP say unless they go for delegate conference. Now make when they say they happy for me, I'm happy. Today I'm happy. For all the idiots them, when they supported some small for compound without delegate conference. Una see Musa Tarawali, now him resign, come out empathy. Not to behave them, rebam. Now he say he resign, he come out empathy. Now he want for come empathy. Musa Tarawali no one day team up and condemn the SLPP. Musa Tarawali no ever take the SLPP in a court. Musa Tarawali no ever bulldoze the SLPP. Musa Tarawali no ever say any bad thing. He no ever lie for SLPP. But what in the SLPP tell them? They say we go only accept you for go per delegate conference. That they go accept you. People like go vote, they accept you. That's what I mean. Compared to some small where they expel from a political party. Compared to some small where taking political party in a court. Compared to some small where boss a party here, the one here boss. Compared to this man where life and chairman, and life and boss, say boss and count Ebola. And boss and count Ebola, kill people in Sierra Leone. Compared to this man, we say bad things about him political party where one come back. Compared to this man, when the party say they forgo for delegate conference, who say them be expel them, now they back them for go accept them. People say APC not democratic. But to look the same thing fucking happen inside the SLPP. Where to go open and mama them bombo them now for talk. And why you mama them pistol them? And why you them? Now make us say I'm happy when these things they happen. This thing they go by law, they go by this. If the party say this man, yes, we are ready for welcome him, but let them go back to the delegate conference. Why the courts? Fighting at the courts, pay money at the courts, do this, then they use Madabio for use when they cost fish and my bombo, and my pistol, and my water piago, and they cost. If I dare you push my mama, don't cost it for her. Some bastard begin they want no side and fat them papa them. And they come and open their mama then conquer and they tell Adeba or say, I not for go at fisher. When a mother build a remote fisher and a mother build a use fisher, we all go hear the statement when mother build make by the conference what they do. Mother build say na unable APC. I welcome that news thing. Mother build say unable beat the APC how he wants the buffetary that he wants. That's what in man call and buffetary. We all hear him presiding in statements. Presiding say the APC not ready yet for camp election, they perfect themselves. If you know we get sense, you they not say this, them people and then they play with the court system for delay the APC, for do what they can do so. Right? Unayari madam your statement. I welcome the statement. But the problem I get, if you not say you will beat the APC you want, let the ball play. Not use the court system for delay the APC. Not use the court system for destroy the APC people. If you not say me Bobo why I will beat, like madam be why I will beat you so, well let them burn in for say not my team up before me. I know they compromise for last see you 1-1. Today you say now already now. You said tomorrow I say okay. Anytime, any minute, any hour, you want let me you still 1-1. And they kill you there. Because I don't say I well confidence believes that they beat you I want. So why you don't allow let the game play? You say the opium man bombo they tell people and say you will beat the APC I want. Why would they fucking beat you for SLPP 2012? Why you not fit? You said the APC win 207. You know over goal. Why you know over goal? If you have been born you well, why you know over goal? You got my team out before over goal. 1991. Now after when you come, you don't can succeed. I check you, my mind come you can. If the people are not sabi, people are not know. Why 2012 you not fit? Why 2012 you not do anything? Why? They hope they make big shots by SLPP, they give them confidence and that you able to beat APC. If you able to beat APC, allow everything go on, no? Allow everything go on. And you allow now, you know, allow everything they go on. Now see whose power where you get. Now we know whose strength where you get. Now we sabi the strategy. That strategy you want use. You sabi that. We don't see everything. Now one get I make you the United Nations not talk. Say the peace of that country. If anybody fuck up with them, no problem. They don't want you back. Now people they don't understand. Me and I know they don't want you back for the last time. They don't want you back. Now people they don't know. If you don't say you will beat the PC, allow let the game play. Now they're going to use courts. Now they're going to use this. Now yeah, we don't see the same case when they give Samura Kamara. That the same thing. Don't happen so with the statistics salon auditor general, the statistic boss man. Now I don't change a number plate, right? The minister and the statistician general, they don't mislead you. They don't fucking lie by you. They don't put into this position waste taxpayers' money. They don't explain to you fine. The same thing when I say Samura Kamara not explain to him principal fine. Now the same thing the statistician general don't do, he not explain to you fine. The minister not explain to you fine. You need to sack them. You need to put them in jail. But you not fucking do them. The people them, when I look the census, they give 10 days for count 7.3 million people. And not work. This doctor say now Western they waste the taxpayers' money. They add another 1 or 2 weeks and not work. Now they say they don't give full month from the 31st of December to the 31st of January. Then now, by the iPad you get, you got over 200 and something we not count, we don't lost first. You got over 400 and something we don't spoil. Then with the same video, the people and they go and strike, say they don't pay them their money. But we always go work for statistics salon and mama them bumbo them. Every statistics salon pay on that money they back, then mama them bumbo them back. Because now all the help for destroy the country. Now all the help, we don't talk, now they hear we. They mislead the president. Madabio, they mislead her. They not all Lemu, but not all Samura Kamara. A bank governor with thief. 868 billion euros. Una no go all am. Somebody will say, because I explain fine, the country lost $2.5 million. Una get case. Then tear they expose una. Then tear don't make the whole country, the whole world, don't know say una not to better people. Right? So we welcome the news here. All the things that today when they happen inside the SLPP, some happen inside the APC. We all see the reaction. Now young bobo then kill another country. The only one they were killed, put them Panama Road, SLPP come and free them. When by right, by law, when they give pardon to anybody, not to somebody who don't commit murder, they give pardon to somebody who don't, if they give 5 years, don't do 4.5 years, or 4 years, you can pardon them. Minor case them. You dey pardon people them. But today we all see LSC we don't kill somebody. Now from last year before last time we want to pull them. But where they about talk, they sit, they hold them. Last year they want to do the same thing. This year, they pull them. When they know here, are they buy or talk? I be no saying so again for happen. I be no saying so again for happen. But today, where is the industry? Where is the musicians? Where is the DJs? Where is the MCs? What's them there today? They don't free LA. And they not only free LSC, they give them security. Mother be give them 1 bag money. Why you give money for? Somebody will commit murder because of Mende. But one thing we want to tell the people of Sierra Leone, LSC not for exist for kill them. LSC for kill them. In my mind, Bombo for kill them. LSC need for die. There is no compromise. A kill them for kill them back. LSC need for die. Because Europe there, if you say the kaya, who they kill away kaya. If you innocent and born like that, them born me at the bio. Let come to Europe. We the kill them there. Now make me for every then and then that they prepare. Every then and then, every minute, every second, every hour. Salon people need to go after this guy. Salon people need to kill this guy. When they talk say Sierra Leone at time bomb, people don't understand. How a murder, somebody will don't kill that country, you can be fucked up from a jail, you get money, you get button soldier man and forget them. Ebo. Who's that Sierra Leone they go? Who's that Sierra Leone they go, me people them? Somebody will don't kill, they can't free them. Yes, the man for guide them. Sule, who's are you there? Sule, who's are you there? Sule, who's are you there? Sule, we go for all responsible. This thing not for happen under your ministry. They not forever take soldier man for go guide somebody who don't commit murder. It's wrong. It's not for me. Where is the musicians then? When collabo them with team up, CJ them, all the artists them team up, bam, for me them jail this bastard Pekin. Today the bastard Pekin ambassador Western account the cacao. What he fucking do? A whole DJ when they promote in music. Today I kill that country, they all kill and pull and not say nothing. Now make way they open my mind bombo they talk about that nasty award at the vex. People as that they buy why not waiting for talk. The same people that will say Kaun are the best rapper in Africa. Now the same people that say Mother Bion are the best presidents in Africa. So what do you think? Not a fraud. What do you think? When Burna Boy win award, Sarkodie them, Stonebwoy them, then kind award they are where they win them. Now a platform where they create for themselves, for build up themselves, make more money, you price they go up. The third and year award, I tell price go down. If you can't know say this award where a win, let's go make sure na stadium no. Let's go make sure because Burna Boy when get award, you go make in how many shows there, and price go up in triple. When you win award, you price they go up. Whiskey there, they win award so Ocho Arena 2 days sold out. You remember no? Una not sabi. If the man not say award will win, na clean award, let's go make shows then, or let people go in show. It's simple. But I know art media. Coming to the Ulster. Now we just support because Asalo vest the only way. Kista they suppress and tell really why resign. Chief Minister became no get him, they can't go Nations Cup. This no, we don't watch. No, we don't watch. Because for left Fatima, because of Zengele wear red cap, And they go up in my mind, bombo, my mind conk, they debunk, they talk about the bobo bad thing there. And now when I call Zengele, I do it too. Because Zengele quiet. Because if not to be other player, it cost him mama force. You Fatima, you don't wear red cap, you don't wear red clothes. Why you not ever condemn yourself when you don't wear red clothes? You open my mind, bombo, they talk about the bobo bad thing there. But we get for kill you in that country, Fatima. There is no compromise, you die. Una common on power, or then power, or you die. Not on me on power by the grace of God. You die before you time, Fatima. You die. So million star, I know they ask me, love just support. That's it. Because I green, white, and blue in the way. Because if I explain the things that will happen, I know they're glad to say for what you star. If I talk the things that will happen, everybody don't go turn the TV off. Say no, man, I never watch you star. But we not go do it because of the country. Lord, just watch there. Lord, see what will happen. Yeah, the people. Now we see what will happen. I think the president said, I get the key. When now let make sure say we win all the game them. In the president said, I get the key. Let make sure say we win the Nations Cup. Lord know if I get the key. So now make them do all what they do so. Now then control, now then pick team. Pick bottom players there. Count so men them. Ain't not bad. This stuff will make all the people of Sierra Leone let them see. I know they ask me, they don't forget about Yosta. Now, let me come to the hard topic, them people. We all don't see some of them things here they happen in the country. We all see some of them things here they go on in the country. But this is the time, 2022, we are moving. We know they go back for nobody. We know they go back. We know they regret. We know they go behind for nobody. 2022. 2023, now 11 months don't left for them. Then they go. And I want to tell every Southeasterners, this we not the bio again anymore. We not the bio nobody in a salon again. Everybody gets sense. If me party where they support, now that can buy us 500,000, okay, I vote for them back. If me party where they support, now that can buy fear 10,000 okay, and they vote for them back. If the party where they support, now that can get blackouts okay, and they vote for them back. If the party where they support, now that can get freedom, and they get money I want, or poverty they kill me. I buy pepper 5,000 for cup, rest 5,000 for cup. Okay with that, and they vote for them back. We don't buy nobody. Madam you say. What it talk by constitution, it don't vote, it don't do it don't do more than what it talk like. Fine, it don't need for campaign again. Let's do that you and Escoma do. 2012 and Escoma say you believe so will vote for me. You will not believe so will not vote for me. Do amba. If you get balls, you are mad talker. But then you brag talk them and not they go into them. I'm not going today, you back talk the way they talk. But one thing I want to tell every Sierra Leonean, let everybody wise up now. We don't have bio nobody again for votes or no votes. Votes na yeah, no votes no yeah. No. We don't have bio nobody again. If you don't say, Madam, you don't work, vote for him. Then my last message today, what I want for Guy. When they hear the SLPP, then they talk about Pakaba, they will get a rare girl where a piste hit from 4. When I see Sylvia Blythe, in a piste hit from 4. Sylvia Blythe, if he pass 2 hours and not champ chingom, if you don't want to open mots down on their own, naturally they smell mots. Una ask everybody where Sabian from where small. I make you know they ever sit down to man, you know they ever get man say die. Now fuck me, I mean any payment they let the fuck. A piste hit from 4. I hear them that other idiots. Kaloko they open my man Bombo and my man Conk and my man Pima. Then they talk a lucky talk about this light where they carry it. This light still just make and not say, oh, now this is the easy way make the SLPP, the politician in a salon, then they use the people how they want because Salon, we get that Siko and forget Siko. Get her. But for such Salon people, they don't ever know what happened in 99. For such Salon people, they don't know the country that will be under the Mano River Union. But now make this thing clear to every Sierra Leonean. Now you only hear they say an Escoma have been PDP. 1973 an Escoma stand under APC for honorableceship. Then talk to her and say no, let allow the power be there, let them left her. 1973. They say an Escoma in 99 I joined APC. Then 99 when joined APC, 2002 become flag bearer. First though. Uda sponsor APC 1996. Uda sponsor Victor Foye and that bastard. Victor Foye and that bastard became Victor Foye and Edu Toure. Uda sponsor them. And let's go, man. The lobby come up for this light issue. Now I make a drop on video. If you wanna talk say the lights of Pakaba, now I begin up. Now Pakaba now I start up. Oh my God. Then lawyer Kanoko of all people take him mama Kong. Right? Silver Blighting and take the mama them bombo then. Say that Pakaba starts that project day. Now at the talent, every Sierra Leonean, not only them bastard at the challenge. At the talent, every Sierra Leonean, let them pull the document where Pakaba signed 99. Let them pull the video, let the camera record. That video they show. Let them pull that video who said Pakaba sign that paper. Like how they pull an Escoma and you video them. Then they pull the pictures them. Let them pull picture. Let them pull the paper who said Pakaba sign. And one thing I want to tell every Sierra Leonean today, everything will happen in Sierra Leone, already Pakaba and over, that hand over note. And then a salon bookshop, una go there, una go buy them. The handing over note of an Escoma, and then a salon bookshop. Everything where Pakaba left, una go check if this light system is dead. Wow, now one for her to narrate them, boo. The last quarter shot for una like Bombardgos. 98, 99, Sierra Leone been there per war. So you tell me now how Pakaba signed document 99. What the per war for God's sake, bro? Hey, bro. Whether they see people in the ask the social media, people in the talk. Who don't know say 99, 98, 99, Salon de per war, who don't know. The land cut off for the back shot like Bombardgos. At that time, the Ivory Coast not been there at the Mano River Union. The Mano River Union, na Sierra Leone, Liberia, Guinea. Now we three no more been there at the Mano River Union. Now after 2002, when Salon get peace, they began advocates. In 2003, now if the Ivory Coast then joined the Mano River Union. And we do them for country here. Ivory Coast are the only country where gets 24-hour light at the talent everybody. I don't go Ivory Coast. The least village when I Waninu, when are the least village, when are the first village where they enter, when you left Guinea, when I Waninu, they get 24 hours light. So this Mano River Union thing, the mob, now Ivory Coast are the getter. And let me tell you now, the projects where they be start under this Mano River thing, they be don't scrap and they don't condemn and because Pakaba be make them clear say in get money. And at that time, Sierra Leone be get war. So now tell me whose paper where Pakaba signed, where they come put and mama them bomb, they tell people and say in 1999 this project starts 2011. 2012, 2013, and Escoma the first man will pay the money. Within us for the country them, Salon are the first country we pay. How do they can look when we are now the life we you guys just send them to APC, then they open them mama them bomb them for type of confused people and they tell 99 Salon de per war. Una bring can the document we Pakaba sign. Okay, for argument's sake, now we accept. Spell for me Pakaba, spell Madabio, the same name. Spell for me Pakaba, spell an Escoma name, spell Madabio a fucking nasty name. Now we make that the same spelling. For God's sake. And as Koma, they tell you what he do. You know, tell you what he pakabadu. You know, tell you what he shaki do momo. Madam, you tell me what he don't do. You come, you gonna kill them, and you lie by you people them. You lie by you people and say they're gonna make road. You like give them road, 15-meter road in the start up. I tell the Kenema people and say this bastard begin a lie, they lie. This light when they so now 2023, now in this light they start. When they go do and lights they nabono, lights they Kenema, lights they Kono, lights they Pujom, lights they Kailao. Why would I want for her to my head, bro? Why would I want for her to my head? 1999 Salon de Power. So I want to make them clear to every Sierra Leonean. This particular light they want claim the APC do am now Nescoma do am. And in order to pay no money, this money where Nescoma pay, if you not in them give that money they eat. Madam, I swear to God they eat. Now look what's happening in Alunge. Not to Washamanda again, that terminal where they say they extend, where they say they pong the airport for 25 years. Not tell you the secret. Now the local contractors that they give. Now Fatima Bio they head and back. The same thing they do na Churchill. Tell Pakaba and Escoma 10 years. Nobody not be noticing that give it free. And the same thing they want for do Lincoln Queen. When the European say no, we spend money. No, the commission of inquiry we make them give to Salon government back. Why the church can be they make money? They go to the SLPP fund. So now they want to make some project, they lie to the people and say, we don't pong Lunge Terminal, Ferry Junction, the government 12 for 25 years. You don't know why? They want to then go opposition. Let them able get money for generate for the party. These are the strategy where SLPP deeper. Not tell them now. Not so no fucking Russia company again anymore. Now local company now they deeper be now joining there because now joining. So I want to make every Sierra Leonean know about this light. Una agree, una not agree now. True. Me probably don't give the round of applause to Madam Bio because he allowed for let them done now. But this kind of manners, where because they don't acknowledge the way we pay money, they don't acknowledge the person. When do that project there, we all not go ever acknowledge say they do anything in that country. And indeed, they don't do fuck all in the country. Sierra Leoneans. Now we prepare for war and we get forget them. I hate for Siam, but I get for talk them. Sierra Leoneans, una keep me message. Una keep them. Today, I say don't come out. Pastor Mambu not condemn them. A ritualist. Pastor Mambu they no come on. No pastor no come on and condemn Madabiu. No imam no come out and condemn Madabiu. But then they condemn devil. We don't get anything for do to economy. We don't get no distraction to economy. We don't get no distraction to development. Then they condemn them. But then they fail for condemn the real devil them. This is my message. Una stay blessed and God bless Sierra Leone. We move. Pick your phone. Your phone the ring.